Alright, the guys from Emmanuel Design were going to send over some stuff for me to Bull-X about where the leak was. So you hear it more up here. When you're, this is the setup I have here, so the other Bull-X, there's nothing modified about it, it's just a stock turbo and a heat shield in the Bull-X downpipe. Let's go into the car now and I'll show you guys what's underneath it. Sorry, I gotta crawl into here, and the car's gotta be running, which is super safe, right? But it's the only way to hear the exhaust leak. So the exhaust leak is, let's call a little more. So if you put your hands right here, you can feel it. You put them here. It's basically right where that braid is there. So I get it in focus. It's right where the braid is, basically. You can feel the wind coming out onto my fingers from there. So that's it right there. I put my hands in there. It's coming out of where the braided area is. And there is some exhaust or some heat wrap here, but that's just, I added that myself. I was actually taking it off to, for a shop out of this heat wrap. I took it off to try to diagnose the problem. I know it's super hard to hear, but that's where the leak is. It's right under here. So see where there's the mounting point there? And then underneath is where the braided area is, where the bend is taking place. It's inside of there. So there you go. Send this over to Bull-X. Hopefully they'll help me.